Are your plants starting to feel the chill this winter? Then make the ideal choice with our triple laminated, horticultural grade bubble insulation. It is ideal for keeping your traditional greenhouse, or polytunnel, warm this winter. Our commercial grade, 1.5 meter wide rolls, are available in 10 mm and 25 mm bubble diameters. We also do the 10 mm bubble in 75 cm widths for the amateur grower. This is not to be confused with cheap double laminated bubble wrap used for packaging. The type of insulation you choose will depend on two things. For increased light, then choose the 25 mm option, or the 10 mm size for increased thermal retention. Ideal for both professional and amateur growers alike who are looking to save some money on their heating bill throughout winter and spring. Using it can extend the growing season by up to 6 weeks, and give you a head start on the next season by up to a month.